I am Lao Bei of Tunggu Robot. Today, I will introduce the welding of laser welding to you. The welding tools in the video are customized by our customers in the water supply and drainage equipment industry. The material is 304 stainless steel, 2mm steel. We've deployed a 2 kilowatt laser, the new red double swing head. Well, laser tracking scans to read the exact position of the weld. And precise welding while tracking and scanning. The operation is also very simple. Everyone can see that the weld is also very neat and beautiful.